Hi everyone. When I think of this week's assignment about our students' attitudes and emotions, and watching this week's video examining the readings, I think of ways that we could provide opportunities for students to be engaged. And I thought, gosh, not all of these would work for my students, right? So, when I think engagement for all, what a challenge. And here we could see some of the keywords that came up this week through the work that we had presented: challenge, autonomy, encouragement, threat, choice, barriers, and some of the options that we give students with the choice can knock down some barriers that they have, or could be a barrier for a student. It could cause the student to have this emotion that is very connected to a threat. The same emotions that come up when a student is threatened. Or they could provide encouragement and the emotions are positive, and we're going to see the student very engaged. And I know that the challenges are, how do we do this for most of our students? And I think part of it comes from us in setting the tone. We can set the tone for the class, and we try to set the tone for taking risks. And we can tell them how we're taking a risk today by offering all this choice. We could offer time for students to be reflective. We know it's a key guideline. But when we model it and we show that we're patient with students to take time to reflect or take time to share examples, have opportunities for students to collaborate, and we share our own feelings, we share our own fears, or we're making ourselves vulnerable to whatever they might think of us being so excited, feeling so proud of ourselves, or sharing again that we failed, or that we're nervous or we're scared. I think that helps a lot. So when I think of this week's task and attitudes and emotions centered around engagement, this is my visual, and this is part of my presentation, not just visual. So thank you for watching.